$6 million from TikTok Shop in the last 30 days. This weird company called Micro Ingredients came out of nowhere and is making an absolute killing. The crazy thing is that it's all based on a lie. Now, I know these are some big claims, so let me jump in and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. This is the company Micro Ingredients, and this is their top selling product, this multi-collagen peptides powder. Here we are inside of Kalo Data. For those of you guys that are not familiar with Kalo Data, this is an analytics tool you guys can use for TikTok research. It shows you things like top products, top creators, top shops, top videos, top live streams, and more. Here we can see a full breakdown of the numbers. So we can see that in the last 30 days, they have done $6.1 million in revenue. They've sold 193,000 units. And the average price that they're selling for each unit is $31.72. Now, I personally can vouch for Kalo Data's accuracy. One of the brands I partnered on is actually on TikTok Shop, and when I looked them up on Kalo Data, the sales being reported were almost spot on with the exact sales that we're actually doing. So now that we've seen proof of all the sales, let's talk about TikTok Shop and break down how they're doing this. The first thing I want to cover is TikTok Shop. This is obviously a new feature. This is essentially a one-click shopping experience that's fully embedded into the TikTok app, where basically people can shop without even leaving the app. Now, with this, TikTok is taking a 5% sales commission for every purchase. This feature makes them a lot of money. So right now, you'll probably notice that any video created that has a TikTok Shop product has a very high chance to actually go viral compared to any video that's created without a TikTok Shop product. So let's dive into a little bit more about this product. So here we are again looking at the multi-collagen peptides powder. As you guys can see, they're not just drop shipping some random product. This is actually a product that's made to help nourish hair, skin, nails, and joints. And to be fair, from the reviews I've seen, customer claimed that they actually like the product and it really works. Now, obviously you got to take that with a grain of salt, but that's what they're saying based on the reviews, and you can see them here. Another benefit is the price and value you get with the product. This creator recorded a video where he went into a Costco and compared the product compared to the standard options that were available in Costco. And he claims that the Micro Ingredients multi-collagen peptides powder actually allows him to get more for less. And this is a pretty big claim because here in the US, Costco is known to have products at their lowest price. Now let's break down how they make so much money. 99% of Micro Ingredients TikTok Shop revenue comes from creators. There's so much traction around this product because creators are also getting paid to create content about the collagen peptides powder. So for example, I could go into my TikTok account, make my TikTok account a business account, enable the TikTok Shop feature on my videos, and create content talking about this collagen peptides powder. And anytime that a sale comes from the TikTok Shop feature on my video, I would earn an affiliate commission. There's a couple reasons why these videos are going viral. First is because TikTok is getting paid to promote them, and it essentially costs them nothing. They just give you the views. Next is creators are getting paid to make these videos, and they're also getting incentivized by TikTok, and they're also making a good amount of money. And last but not least, creators are also getting paid to host these live streams where they demonstrate the product, go over the ownership benefits of the product, answer questions, and engage with the audience that's actually interested in these products. All of this then funnels back into Micro Ingredients, and this is exactly how they're making millions of dollars per month on TikTok. Now, what's super interesting is if we look at the breakdown in the last 30 days of where the revenue came from, you can see that 25% of the revenue came from video revenue. This is from actual videos that went viral, got a good amount of views, and had the TikTok Shop product. However, if you look at where the other 75% of revenue came from, they came from these live streams, which is absolutely insane. So what they have done is they have first made the product go viral across many different creators and working with them. And then what they're doing is they're working with other creators, having them go live, and basically in these live streams, they go over questions about the product, they demonstrate the product, and they just engage with the audience that wants to know more about the product. Essentially what they've done is create their own QVC on TikTok, which is absolutely insane. If we go down and we look at some of these live streams, for example, I'll open this one up. We can see that this live stream did $56,000 in revenue. It went on for an hour. And if we open up this live stream, we can see that this creator doesn't even show his face. All he does is talk about the product, demonstrate the product, answer questions, and engage with the audience, which is just absolutely insane. And so honestly, this completely caught me off guard because I was actually expecting there to be more revenue from the actual videos that went viral. The crazy thing is that it doesn't cost anything to be on TikTok Shop. TikTok just takes a a 2 to 5% commission per sale. All you have to do is either create the videos yourself or work with other creators to get videos created and make sure that the product in the video is on TikTok Shop. Now, one of the main reasons why this collagen peptides powder is going extremely viral is because they have a home run hook that's completely a lie. So if you've been on TikTok, you've probably seen the video that starts like this.
I see that video of that lady who was crying because she started to take collagen and her wrinkles began to disappear. Apparently people thought she was in her 40s, but actually she was in her 60s. She was taking this exact collagen here.
Now, this video, again, has gone absolutely viral. You guys can see if we go back, this video has 6.1 million views. So obviously it originally went viral from this creator, and this is how it all started. And then obviously you've probably seen it across other creators. Now, this hook works because it sells a quick fix outcome and it leans aggressively into FOMO. After the hook, you'll notice that the creator holds up the micro ingredients package and tells you that this is the magical collagen powder that the woman used. And there are hundreds of TikTok Shop affiliates using this exact same script. However, I searched for the video that they're talking about in that video, and it doesn't exist. There is no woman. In fact, if you actually do a quick Google image reverse search, you'll see that the video used in the before and after in these TikTok videos is actually from an old article that talks about the benefits of Botox and filler, which is absolutely insane. Now, one of the last reasons why this collagen peptides powder is going viral is because it has a high conversion rate. You can see that a lot of people are purchasing this product, which incentivizes TikTok to promote it even more, which then incentivizes the creators to create more content. So you can see how this creates this flywheel and just continues to go on. Now, trust me guys, I've been in e-commerce since 2017 and I have never seen an opportunity like this before. Now, the beauty behind this is that it's actually incredibly simple to set up a TikTok shop and utilize the exact same opportunity that micro ingredients is using. So to summarize, some of my main takeaways is to focus on working with creators, test killer hooks, and once you find a killer hook that works, scale it across hundreds of creators. And then on top of that, host live streams where you answer questions, you demonstrate the product, and you also engage with the audience that wants to know more about the product. So if you found this deep dive interesting, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.